Hello, everybody. Welcome into Talking Fitchburg on this Wednesday, May 11th, 2022. I'm Jeremy Crosby. Hope you had a wonderful day. Whew, it's a scorcher out there. Nice and warm day again. And we'll have to keep an eye on the forecast. Make sure you're taking time for yourself, though. That means stay hydrated, take lots of breaks, especially if you work outdoors, and check on those loved ones, as this is an unusual heat wave. So we've been going to extremes all over the place. And well, we're lucky we didn't have any severe weather yesterday. Still good that we're got some warm weather at least. And we'll see more spring-like temperatures after this weekend. But till then, we'll have to stay safe. We got a lot coming up for you on the show today. We get you the latest headlines. Plus, it's all the mayor all the time. We got two parts with the mayor today. We'll get an update on what's happening in the city of Fitchburg for the mayor. And we're going to preview the Town of Madison business meeting coming up. It's an open house welcome event, and we're excited to share the details and just check in on how the Town of Madison stuff is going with the mayor. So we'll have all of that coming up for you a little bit later. But first, let's get to the headlines, and we start with free COVID-19 vaccine clinic. Yes, if you are looking to get your booster, this is the way to do it, or get a vaccine, no matter what it is. Here it goes. Fitchburg Senior Center, Friday, May 20th, 8:30 to 12:30 p.m. at the Senior Center, 5510 East Lacey Road. East Sherrill. Wow, where am I? I guess it's their backyard. You could look and see that. Either way, East Lacey Road. Stop on by. No appointment needed. Just stop in. They'll have their first, second, or booster doses available for you at the Senior Center. And if you need any additional information, you check with Public Health of Madison in Dane County. Turning our attention to the Rimrock Route Mobile Food Pantry. This is out and about in the Southdale neighborhood, and want to share the information with you. The Mobile Food Pantry will be out on May 12th from 8:30 to 11:30 a.m. at the Rimrock Road Mobile Pantry's site. These locations range from starting at 8:30 at the Highland Manor Park Storm Shelter all the way to 10:30. It'll be out the Southdale Park, 200 Deer Valley Road. This occurs on the second and fourth Thursdays of every month. No restriction. Everyone who is in need is welcome. No registration or ID is required. Guests may walk up or drive up. Any changes to time or locations for existing mobile pantry distributions are communicated via our texting service. To receive texts when there are changes, all you got to do is send this text to 868-669-893123 to get the information. And of course, we'll share that with the headlines when we get those posted up. Community engagement walk and bike ride for the Teen Center project is coming up. Join Equity EQT. Equity by Design, and Alder Joel Maldonado for a group bike ride where the Alder will share information on the city's teen center. This is happening on May 17th at 4:30 p.m. Starts at the 2919 King James Way in Fitchburg. There'll also be a community workshop coming up. This interactive community engagement opportunity will highlight the Fitchburg Teen Center. This is held on the 23rd of May from 5:30 to 7 p.m. at Redeemer Church. They're located at 5356 King James Way in Fitchburg. If you want to contact them for more information, phone number is 608-371-9527. Pickleball Clinic. You like pickleball? I love pickleball. It's so much fun. There's a clinic coming up for everyone. Check this out. Learn the basics of this simple, fun sport and build your skills up to the next level. The beginner, intermediate, and it's going to be a lot of fun. It's happening on Saturday, May 28th from 1 to 2:30 for the beginners and 2:45 to 4:15 for the intermediate players. Improve your skills, practice those dink shots, paddle grips, and so many more. There's so many ways of fun strategies to it. And you'll learn that $40. Check with the recreation department. You'll get to work with, I think it's David Sy, if I'm saying that right, David Sy for the instructor there. A lot of fun, though, pickleball is. All right, having trouble finding baby formula in stores? The Department of Public Health wants to help you here. The U.S. U.S. Food and Drug Administration is working to address a nationwide shortage. In the meantime, we encourage you to go to multiple stores and consider calling before making the trip. Shop on multiple days and ask an employee about additional stock and timing of the next shipment. Plan another shopping trip on this day. Call your pediatrician and do not make homemade formula. Again, you can always check with your pediatrician or doctor to find out if you can't get anything, what could be some alternatives there. But there's some suggestions coming in. Wanted to get that in there, as I know there is a nationwide shortage. All right, turning to medications in the annual drug take back day. Any guesses on poundage of medications collected? Here we go. 59,840 pounds. Just taking a look here. I love these pictures here. That's unused and expired medications that were collected during the drug take back day. It's about the same weight as a parade of elephants, a fire truck, or a medium bulldozer, which that is not a bulldozer. So whoever put this together, I'm still upset about that. That's a loader. Even my son could call that out. If you missed it, no worries. There are collection sites open year-round. You can find them at dhs.wisconsin.gov/opiate/permanent drug drop boxes. We have one in Fitchburg. It's at the Fitchburg Police Department, open Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 4:30 p.m. But that is a lot of drugs that were collected. And yeah, if you see any of those things coming, you better run. No, I'm just kidding. It's still crazy though, and just think that kept it out of the streets, out of the waterways, and landfills, all that stuff. So, and if I heard right, they take that in and disintegrate that stuff. So, yes, good thing. And I said, if you need information on the Dropbox, you can go to our website, fitchburgwi.gov, and learn how to dispose of your unused medications. All right, that does it for headlines. Coming up next, we open up our guest and digest segment. We're going to be talking with the mayor of Fitchburg on what's happening in the city of Fitchburg and talk about the town of Madison and the attachment, focusing on the business side of things. We'll have all that coming up for you here on Talking Fitchburg.